Today we're bringing you the EcoVax GOAT O1000 LiDAR Pro. So this is the O line. I have the 2500, which is my model from last year over here, and I have the newest one. This is the 3000 with the AI camera in it, okay? We'll talk about what the difference is a little bit. We'll hit a little bit of that, but I just want to do a quick unboxing, all right? So at first they give you this giant thing. This is a card, comes with every single. We'll put the quick guide up there. All right, let's just see what this comes with. Now, this one does have the true edge trimmer, which we'll look into. Here we got some stuff. Basically, you just got to plug this thing in, and it does all the mapping by itself, just like the 2500. The 2500 was the first robot that had its own mapping feature built in, all right? So this one uses something called the Holoscope 360. Basically, it's a LiDAR system that spins around, and LiDAR, kind of what it does is it creates like a 3D map. Think of like the Matrix. It can see what's there, it can see elevation, it can see if there's a ball there, but it doesn't know what it is, okay? So that's the difference between this one and the A model. The A model has AI built into it. So I'll bring you in, this is kind of how they package it up. Very nice. Oh yeah. All right, and here we got the docking station. This is where it comes to charge. This is what you attach to the ground using stakes. This is what you run the cable to or the power to. But nothing really interesting there, but I'll put this box over here. Take a closer look at this robot. Now look at that. So this is our 360 Holoscope LiDAR. This is basically spinning around. The cap fell off. Stop button, you have some stuff here, and this looks to be something. I'm not sure what this is. I'll leave that on for now. Let's say for a rain sensor, you have a screen there. Instant setup, which is true. This has instant setup, just like the 2500. You can tell this is a little bit smaller, and here is your true edge trimmer. So we're gonna take a closer look at that. All right, so we'll look at the bottom here. What we're looking at is about an 8.5 inch wide cutting radius. You'll see there's only one cutting wheel here. Okay, and 3 blades. The 3000 and the 2500 back there, they have 2 wheels. The bottom of this looks pretty similar to the other ones. We have the true edge trimmer here. And if we look to the edge of where it can cut, we're around 3.5 inches or so, okay? So this could get pretty close to the edge, but you have your trimmer here. That's really where you're gonna get, you know, your trimming. This is all basically kind of bumpers and stuff like that built around it. You have your LiDAR in the front here. This allows the robot to kind of know where it's at in real time. It knows where it is, it knows where it's been, and it knows where it needs to go based on this LiDAR system that it has built into it. All right, now they do say that this is only good up to 1/4 acre, but I would say, why? Why is it only up to 1/4 acre? If you send this thing out to do a 1/2 acre or 3/4 of an acre, it would probably just go back and charge more, you know? So I'm not sure that really matters, but yeah, this is basically made for a tighter, smaller yard. You can see the actual physical unit is smaller. What I'm gonna do is I'll bring it over and show you, maybe in comparison, we'll show you the other ones next to it. You can see this is the 3000. You can see definitely the size difference, and this is a lot heavier. That's what I'm saying. This one has 2 blades on the bottom. All right, so with these giant wheels, it will go up about a 45% slope. That's what they say. And overall, I think it looks really neat. I like this black inlay. I like that it has this kind of like, looks like it has a wing here on the back. So pretty cool. I mean, what more can I say? It's a robot lawnmower. These things work great. They go out, they mow your lawn. You can have control, you can control what direction it mows. You can actually do designs. It has a great app. The app works amazing. It worked great last year. I haven't set this one up yet because it's still a little cold outside, but I'm sure the app works even better now. But I highly recommend the EcoVax lawnmowers. These are one of the best robots in the game right now. There's a few players out there, and believe me, these guys are on top of their game. All right, so I will be making a video of this actually out there working. If you want to see that, please subscribe to the channel. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV. Please like this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any questions down below. Look out for the videos on this one or that one or that one. That one I did a bunch of videos on, you know, actually right there. See it on YouTube. But I want you to please like this video, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to the channel. I'm Mike, Family DIY TV, and I'm out.